This tutorial reviews the use of the QuoteMedia data feed when adding new securities to the Investment Account Manager Asset Library. Begin by selecting the Asset Library menu, Current Asset Library, Add Choice. Then, using the drop-down to the right of Asset Type, we can select Common Stock and enter a sample ticker symbol. In this example, we'll enter MSFT. Then select the Connect choice to use the QuoteMedia data feed to auto-populate descriptive information for this new common stock, including name, stock size, stock sector, market price, and fundamental data such as dividends and earnings per share, book value and cash flow per share, and the stock beta coefficient. Use the Save button to save this new stock information for Microsoft, and just that easily, a new common stock has been added for tracking purposes. We can repeat these steps, entering a second example, this time for a mutual fund. Add button, drop down to the right of Asset Type, select Mutual Fund. Enter VPMCX. Then select the Connect button to utilize the QuoteMedia data feed to auto-populate descriptive information for this new mutual fund, including name, fund investment objective, prior day closing price, fund expense ratio, and dividends per share. Select the Save button to save this new fund information. For exchange-traded and mutual funds, the QuoteMedia data feed also automatically populates the fund details for asset type composition. That is, cash, bonds, stocks, and other investments, and for stocks, domestic versus foreign. This allows users of Investment Account Manager to create allocation reports that take into consideration the proportional impact a fund has invested in various asset types. For those users interested in the fund composition details for common stock sector and common stock size, those too can be entered. By adding these additional percentages using the provided links, investors can create allocation reports that take into consideration the percentage value a fund has invested in a particular stock sector and stock size. Select the OK button to close this form. Select the Exit button to close the current asset library. The two new assets now added to the Investment Account Manager Asset Library can be used for monitoring watch lists or for when purchased, added easily to existing portfolio positions. Thank you for your interest in Investment Account Manager 3 Individual.